bang makatipid ng interest sa home loan mo? Here's one of the things na pwede mong gawin, lalo na kung meron kang extra cash. Usually sa bank amortization or even sa pag-ibig, meron kang monthly na binabayaran. In the first few years of your payments, most of your payments ay napupunta sa interest. Why? Because that's how these financial institutions make money. Kung gusto mo makatipid sa interest, one thing that pwede mong gawin is kung meron kang extrang pera, what you can do is i-advance payment mo to principal. Let's just say, for example, meron kang binabayaran na 20,000 pesos per month. Meron kang 100,000 pesos extra. So, ang iniisip mo ngayon, yung 100,000 pesos, i-advance payment mo sa financial institution. So, therefore, 5 months in advance ka nagbayad. Ang iniisip ng iba, maganda na yun kasi parang wala ka nang iisipin for 5 months. Yes, but it also means na wala pa rin nagbago sa total interest na binabayaran mo. Kasi yung basis kasi ng interest ng bangko ay galing doon sa principal amount na hiniram mo sa kanila. Kung meron kang 100,000 pesos na extra, bayaran mo yung advance to principal. Therefore, magbibigay sila sa iyo ng bagong computation kung magkano na yung monthly amortization mo para overall sa loan term mo ay mas maliit na ang interest payments mo. So if ever meron kang mga loan payments ngayon, feel free to have a conversation with your financial institution and ask them about advance to principal. Because if you're going to do this, you're going to save a lot of money from paying interest.